Hey everybody, this is Tony with MusicGuyOnline.com. I got your 3-minute mix fix video tip tutorial of the week, and today we're talking about how to pitch correct a guitar part, a solo guitar part generally, which is slightly off key. Right here, I have the solo of this song, and when it's a solo, obviously it's even more important that the part be not only on time, but at the same time in the correct pitch, because that's where all ears are focused and trained on. So let's just hear it as it is, and you can probably hear what's going to be off here. Not too bad there, but right there. It's a little sharp. You can see right here, we have the same kind of thing. It's like the speed of the part. It's just a little bit sharp for what the part is meant to be. Something about coming down with that quick, coming down the scale like that. I think just the note got bended a little bit too much in such a short frame of time, and obviously it's not quite in key with the rest of the song. So what we can do, and what you see I already did on this one, let's go back to the first one here. We can isolate this one note right here, starting right there. We can drag it all the way until right about here. Not that you can even hear anything at this point. Just kind of a ring out there, so we can leave that going. And drag this all the way up till we start the next half of that solo there. So now that I've gotten this one little bit isolated, what I can do is come down here in Ableton Live. It's going to be something similar no matter what DAW you're working in, but right down here we have detune. We have transpose, where we can change it an entire note here, but it's somewhere between notes. And that's why, when you're working with a guitar, that's going to be the culprit. It's not going to be off an entire half step or something like that. No, it's going to be just a few cents. So we know that's got to be probably 20 cents lower. Let's just drop down. Maybe that's too low. Split the difference, 10 cents. Alright, now let's hear it in the context of the song here. Still a bit off. Let's drop it a little bit. Still a little sharp. So maybe 20 wasn't too bad. It might still be a little sharp. That's what I was hearing. Sounded off. Alright, we're getting closer. So there's going to be... it's 100 cents between notes. So once we drop down 50 cents, it goes plus 50 on the next note down, as you can see right there. So let's go around 40. So it's pretty much right there living between both notes. So let's just try right in the middle between those two. And that's a little bit flat there, so let's just say maybe 44. And there you go, just, rolling up the sleeves. Sometimes that's what you have to do. This was pretty easy. It's easy to isolate this note, even though that's generally kind of a quick solo, lots of notes going in there. And then you can see I did the same thing here. This was 39 cents sharp. Let's just isolate this one. And there you go. And now in the context of harmonizing with this other bit here, it sounds a lot better. And maybe this is a little off too. Alright, so there you go. you can use this, obviously apply this to anything. Vocals if you want it to. It would probably be vocal and guitar would be the two main culprits. Maybe some brass sometimes. Things where, there's kind of wiggle room, not so much with hard keys like a piano, unless obviously the piano were out of tune, but odds are the whole piano is out of tune, so it's not going to be as relevant to that situation. But there you go. Don't be afraid sometimes to roll up the sleeves. Just isolate notes here like we just did here, and you'll see in the context of the entire piece, still sounds natural, sounds like all the notes were hit the way they were meant to, and we can salvage that solo without having to record it again. Alright, so there you go. Thank you very much for watching. We do these videos every week. Please subscribe if you haven't. Love to see you around the channel, and I'm Tony with Music Guy Online. I will see you next time.